Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates the Emergency Department Prevention Quality Indicators, or EDPQI software download and installation. The EDPQI software is available for download from AHRQ's Quality Indicators website. The link for this software download is on the EDPQI resources page. For other ways to download the software, please watch the EDPQI website resources video. When you click on the download button here, the software file will be downloaded to the default downloads folder. Double-click on the zip file. You will now see the setup file and you can double-click there. The software installation will start. If you encounter a Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, click on the More Info link and then click on Run Anyway. If you encounter a Windows User Access Control window, click on the Yes button in that window. You can now install the software in the default location by clicking the Next button, or change the location by clicking on the Browse button and selecting a different folder. You can also create a desktop shortcut to start the application. Review the information, and if you need to change anything, click the Back button, or if you are ready, click the Install button. The setup is now preparing to install. The application is now installing. When you click on the Finish button, the application will be launched into a browser window. The software is now installing the necessary files for the application to start. The software can also be launched from the Start menu here, or the desktop shortcut that you created earlier. The software instructions document, which is available on the AHRQ's Quality Indicators website, has more details and other EDPQI resources. Once the application has been downloaded, it will take you to the Create New QI report. This concludes the EDPQI download and installation video. For instructions after your download, please watch the video using EDPQI. Thank you for watching.